Are we live? Yep, I think so. Yeah. Yeah, so good morning everyone. This is my first, I think, proper stream. So like it's going to be a short one, chota sa here. So as the other day I was playing Valorant with my friends, and so like I got an idea like let's make an Valorant AI bot. So I was doing the computer vision stuff a little bit, and yeah, so I think we can use the screen capture to like make the bot working, but so like there's a anti-cheating measure in Valorant, so which is Vanguard. So like it will detect anything if we are capturing the game states. So what we are going to try to do is fool that Vanguard and basically make our bot work. So I thought this is a good idea, and so yeah, so I think we should. Okay. So if you can see the screen. Yeah. Just a sec, guys. Yeah. So let's make a new folder. Can you see my screen, guys? हेलो सर, हेलो आर्ची, व्हाट्स अप? स्क्रीन दिख रहा है क्या? या ओके. So let's make a new folder. So if you have any input, please feel free to chat. I'm also a noob here, just trying out things. Yeah, let's get into this folder. Okay, let's first start a git bash. Yeah, so yeah, so make directory scripts, maybe images folder, scripts, and so let's make a yeah, so let's make a virtual environment for this so that we can keep all the dependencies here safe. So Python -m when and the name. So I think this syntax is right. So valo, and I think this should work. Yeah, I think this is done. Now if we do ls command, we can see the Valo virtual environment here. We are using venv to make this. Yeah, so okay, and here in this you can see like the libraries which are present. Yeah, so basically it doesn't have much, just pip install. So pip list to do. Okay, so what? Yeah, so I think we have to first get into it. So source, then dot slash Valo slash scripts, and then there's an activate folder, I think. Yeah, so now we are into the this repo virtual environment named Valo. Now if I do pip list, we'll get the list of installed packages. So we have setup tools and pip. Okay, so yeah, so pip install, I think we are going to need let's say numpy, and yeah, so pip install numpy. We got the numpy, the very basic library. Then yeah, and then pip install, I think, yeah, OpenCV, Python. And these are the basic things. Yeah, so get yeah, so what the basic idea is going to be, guys, so what we're going to do, what I thought was to first capture the screen of my game, and then trying to control the mouse and the keyboard to shoot and move. So this is a very basic idea. So let's try to just capture the frames for now. So I think we can do that using OpenCV, or like Nicholas Rennert, who is doing the Forza ML on YouTube. Please check him out. I'll leave him in the description, his channel. So he's using MSS. So let's check it out. So MSS. Yeah, so this is a good library. So ultra fast cross platform multiple screenshots module. Okay, let's make a touch. Okay, let's do it in VS Code. Code dot. I'm only the author, bro. Yeah, so in Valo, let's make a script here only. So let's say screen capture. You can see it, right? Yeah, Archit, let's do that. So okay, so I'll just start a code and then we'll make the flowchart. So screen capture .py, and here let's say I need import numpy, import OpenCV2. Yeah, and let's see if it is printing. Hello Valorant. And okay, so I need to, you are not able to see this, right? Yeah, sorry. Make it even bigger. Yeah, so if we do Shift P, yeah, so here if we do select interpreter, here I think we will find the value. Yeah, so we are in the value interpreter, and if we start a terminal and run it, yeah, so we are having hello Valorant here. Okay, so the scripts are running. Okay, yeah, now you can see it, right, Archie? Yeah, so okay, so usage, let's say first let's see if we can basically capture the screen using OpenCV, and let's check the frame rate. So OpenCV, I also don't remember every line of code, so I have to. Let's drink some nice hot coffee. These streams are going to be in both English and Hindi. So, कैसे हो भाई लोग? This is a competition. One document. Okay, let's split the screen. So. Yep. I think this is, and I'll just make myself a bit, no, it's okay. So, yeah. I want just a simple code. Reading. Yeah, finally. So yeah, so image, yeah, image equals to not, but how do we do this? This is reading an image, right? So I think we'll need MSS. Yeah, so let's install MSS. Okay, so for while this is happening, let's make a flowchart of what we are going to do, and we'll change it in the journey if we want. So I use Notion. Or else let's make it here only. So new file, flow.txt. Yeah, so what we want is, let's say to like, firstly what we'll do is we'll define a goal. Yeah, goal. So goal is to first goal is to make an aimbot which will control the mouse to shoot at enemies in practice mode in Valorant. Enemy bots. Yeah, so this is the basic goal. So, and I don't think this will require any keyboard for now. So we are only going to concentrate on the mouse. And I repeat, we are not going to use any inbuilt game states. So I think it most probably it won't be detected by any anti-cheat system. So it's like a man playing only, human playing. So what should be the flow? So for now, let's just capture the screen. So capture the screen. For this we are using the MSS module, which is a very fast module, and for now let's just store it in a directory. Let's see. Okay, so I think I can even show it in Paint what the idea is. So yeah, so basically size, yeah, so let's say this is the screen. You can see the screen, right? So let's say this is the screen where the bots are spawning, and what the first bot will be just the based on the imitation learning. So it will just copy my hand movements, and let's say my friends like the one in chat room, Archit, is better at aiming. So if we train on his data, it will be a bit better. But like yeah. So the idea is these frames will be captured and stored in a file, data file, and corresponding mouse movements will also be captured for the same time. So mouse, yeah. So these two data points, and basically I think we'll be able to train a simple deep learning model which will map these two, and yeah, so it will be able to perform, it might be able to perform close to the person or a little bit weaker, but yeah, let's see. I also don't know, so I think this should work. And so the processing rate is very key, yeah, I think, because that will define the frame rate at which we can control the mouse. So yeah, so this is the main idea, and like all the information, like where the mouse is pointing right now, or how many kills have happened, or like what is the distance of the enemy from the player, or like in Valorant what happens is when we shoot the head, it kills faster, and like if we are shooting somewhere else, we can spray. So all these things will be learned by the bot, and my idea is not to hard code everything, so because it's a very tedious task, and also it's deep learning, guys. We are in 2022, so let's try something new. Yeah, so this is the main idea, but we'll come to this more. And yeah, so these two are the goals for now. So let's see what I think MSS will be fine. So was that good, Archit? Did you get it? Or do you have any questions? Chat. Okay, so all good, all good. Yeah, so let's do this here. Yeah, so what it's saying is you just need this line. Let's see first if this is working. Yeah, so MSS is there, then you have to do this. City.short. Yeah, this one. Let's see the examples. Yeah, so we want this part of the screen, right? Okay, so import MSS. So what is, so with, okay, so let's do MSS dot MSS equal to a city, make an instant here, and they are just importing MSS, right? Yeah. MSS city, yeah, and so they are defining a monitor, right? So yeah, I think I'll just make it a bit smaller. Yeah. So these are the coordinates from the top left, I think. So I did it once for the auto driving project. So this is the origin, top left, and what is the resolution is the maximum. So 1920, 1080, I think. We'll check that. So we have defined this. So image is scd not grab. These are the things. Just a sec, guys. So all good till now. It's fine. Yeah, nice. Yeah, so where are we? Stay tuned, guys. So yeah, just a sec. Oh, I'm not presenting the screen. Yeah, so this was the autonomous driving code. Yeah, so like here, yeah, so what they have done is, okay, so we have defined this self capture, and yeah, so like capture is, but why is this not this giving an error? So we defined the game area. Okay, and we define the capture ct.grab. Okay, so capture, no, okay, this is ulta, equals to mss dot mss. Yeah, now it's fine. And okay, and then we do is capture dot grab and then the game area. Okay, so yeah, so the image will be capture dot grab and the monitor size. Okay, and then I think they are doing numpy.array, storing it as a numpy.array, which is always good. We'll check if by removing it. Yeah, so I think this is fine. Game cap we're getting. Yeah, okay, and yeah, so if so, this is the loop which will run once the code is started. Name equals to main, right? Yeah. And then whatever we do, let's say we import time, and let's say we do time dot sleep here, or like let's say this is in seconds, right? Yeah, so 5 seconds, and after that let's say we print something, so yo, and so I think this will run after 5 seconds, right? We will know if everything worked. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, we see yo here. Okay, so now whatever we have captured, so this is the instance of the MSS module, and we are using it to grab the monitor of this size, right? And storing it as image. And let's say if we print image here, and okay, so let's see what happens now. Yeah, so we got the image. Nice. So it's a numpy array, and let's say if we remove the numpy array, what happens? So it's a different object. Okay, it's a MSS object. Okay, so hey Archit. So what if we want to visualize the capture? So I think OpenCV will visualize the numpy array. So yeah, so now we can go to CV2. Yeah, and this is IM read. So other than printing this CV image CV2.im read, and let's put the image here. Okay, the first is the name, say image, comma, and the image. Yeah, this will read it, and let's say print it while it's okay. So first let's say if this is running. What? Okay, so we cannot use this here. So we're capturing the image. Can we do directly IM show? And let's not name it. Or do we have to name it? Let's see this, what happens. Why are we assigning it? Let's just do this. Mat. Let's name it something. Image. Now it should work, right? Yeah, it works, but no. Okay, I got it. So I think we have to do this in a loop because it popped and went, I think. While true. It's up. Yes. So okay, let's do this. Let's print image dot shape. it's not callable. Okay, yeah. So let me move my screen, and now you guys can see, I think. So this is happening in a loop, and we are like continuously printing the image which we have already stored, right? So we want to grab this in every frame. So I think this has to come. Let me stop this. So let's make a yeah. So this image basically basically what we are doing is, this is the monitor size, right? So let's say we do it completely. So 0 0, and width and height, let's say we do it 1920 to 1080. Now this monitor size is the complete size of my monitor. So this will grab the entire screen. So what MSS does is, it captures the screenshots. So we can give the size of the screen or the area in which we want. So let's say our game is happening in the center of the screen, so we can just capture that much part directly using MSS. Yeah. So so I think if we do this inside, here, and then we do this, say, so now I think these will be the, so we can see the size is this resolution, and we are getting 4 channels. So I don't know why there are 4 channels. Stop this. Maybe I just know 3 channels RGB, but like, yeah, what are the okay. So they are using, I think, this CMYK, yellow and black. I think we can convert this to RGB if we want. Okay, let's do one more thing. So I want to know the frame rates at which, can we just print this image, visualize it? How do we do that? Aren't we able to? Can like in that project, in that we wrote it. Here we want to visualize it, right? First. So why isn't this working? True.im show, and we can pass image. This should work, right? We are getting the screen, but let's see. Save to not. Is it there on MSS? Save to the picture file. Okay, so yeah, we got it. Um, so mss.tools to png, and then yeah, I got it. Okay, so once we capture it, import mss dot tools, and now I think this should work. So SCT is our capture, right? Capture. And here capture dot size, and output is output. Okay, so they are defining this as output. Okay, fine. Output. Here I think I have to give the output. For now, let's just comment this part out to PNG. And what they're doing is okay, so just print it. Output dot, what if we just print the output? Let's just print the shape for now. This should work. Okay, MSS object has no attribute RGB. What? Okay. So sct.grab. For now, let's not do it in numpy.array. Just grab it, and we have to do output.rgb. Okay. And output.size or not, right? Yeah. And so are they storing it somewhere? No. And what if we do this? Expected string. Okay, let's print the output. So let's just do this to see what's the issue here. Size dot RGB. Just wait a minute, guys. So we're doing all this right. dot rgb. We don't want numpy.array. This is fine, this is fine. What is the issue here? So expected string bytes or os.pathleg object not screenshot, where line 60. Okay, let's just not pass this part. MSS tools to PNG, and okay, so PNG equals to this. Is this part running? Yeah, so this is running. Okay. And what if we print the PNG? Ah, nice, nice. Okay. So let's just print png.shape. I think this should work, right? Object has no attribute shape. Let's read it using CV first. So okay, so cv2 dot imread, and here let's do numpy dot array of png, and let's say this is our image, and print image dot shape here. Please work, please work. Okay, so can't convert object to string for file name. What? So now I think I am sure should work, right? Skip this part for now, and let's do this, and let's pass png. What is that? Okay, let's print type of PNG for now. So it's class bytes. They should have given it, right? Inbox. Yeah, okay. So here passing inbox. Let's try this, and then this. Output is this, and are we saving this? So Okay. Okay, so let's give this path images slash output, otherwise it will save it here. And no, we don't want a file, we want a folder, images, and I think this should go in right into that, right? Let's see. Range is not defined. Sorry. Print. For now, let's just comment this. Yeah, this is working. Let's see. Valorant images. Have we captured? Yeah, we captured it. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, see. As you can see, this is the screenshot we captured. So let's say we change the size here, 0 0, and let's say we pass 100, and height also 100, and we do this. Okay, Control C. We go here in images. Yeah, see, you can see only the small part, 100 by 100 pixels. तो इसमें चेंज तो कर सकते हैं. ओके, so for now can't we just, okay, let's see. Okay, what we'll do is, I have an idea. So we have imported time, right? Thanks, Ajit. Yeah, so let's see the FPS which we are getting. So how can we do this? Yeah, so let's define something. Previous time equals to, let's say, 0, and here time dot time. So what we want is, okay, so we want is previous time equals to time dot time, and first we calculate the time per frame or per loop, let's say, equals to time dot time. This gives the total time which has passed after the code has started. So time dot time minus, let's say, the previous time, right? So this will basically calculate the time of the loop, and previous time will be updated on the next step. And let's say if we print let's say time per loop, yeah, I think this should give us the time per loop, right? What? Float and sorry. Yeah. So now we can see we are getting like 0.03 seconds per loop, right? Let's stop this. So average 0.02 seconds. So what is the FPS, guys? A little math problem. Let's try f strings. The FPS equals to curly brackets. Let's pass 1 over time per loop. and int nice. So as you can see, we are getting average 30 fps, so which is quite good for like controlling the aim. So yeah, so that's it for now. I think you enjoyed it. Do follow it. I think I'll start a YouTube channel and post it there, and so I think I'll name it Daydreamers. So stay tuned. I'll also give the link on my Twitch. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, Ashit. Thanks. It was a great help. Yeah. So keep following for this, and I'll continue this series in the next episode. Thank you. Bye bye.